Welcome. In today's guide, I'm going to show you how to disable friend requests on Discord with the most recent steps you need to know. If you're tired of getting random requests or just want more control over your privacy, this quick walkthrough will help you lock down your account in just a few taps. First, open up the Discord app on your phone or tablet. Once the app is open, look at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on your profile picture. This is the shortcut to access your account settings. Next, you'll see a menu with a lot of options, but the one you need is the settings icon. Tap on it, and then scroll until you find the section labeled Content and Social. This is where Discord groups all of the preferences that control how people can connect with you. Inside that section, there's a part specifically for managing friend requests. It's labeled Friend Requests, and under it you'll see 3 checkboxes: Everyone, Friends of Friends, and Server Members. By default, some of these might be turned on, which is why people are able to send you requests. To completely disable them, simply uncheck all 3 boxes. If everyone is on, turn it off. Do the same for Friends of Friends and Server Members. Once those are all unchecked, nobody will be able to send you new friend requests on Discord. And don't worry, if you change your mind later, you can always come back to the same spot and switch any of them back on. This means you stay in control and can pick how open or private you want your account to be. That's it. You've now successfully turned off friend requests on Discord. It only takes a minute, but it can make a big difference if you're looking to keep your account private and avoid unwanted requests. Thanks for watching.